Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to activate your Mint mobile SIM card. Really easy and simple guys, so this is a step-by-step guide. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and insert the SIM card, the Mint mobile SIM card into your phone tray, right? Just look at the SIM card tray on your phone and then you want to just use the SIM card ejector tool to basically open it and then just insert the Mint mobile SIM card into the tray and then just reinsert that into your phone, okay? And then what you need to do, guys, is you want to download the Mint mobile app or you can visit their website. So go to the Play Store or the App Store, okay? Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Mint mobile app. And alternatively, guys, you can visit their website at mintmobile.com/activate. And then you just need to enter your activation code. So you want to find the 11-digit activation code on the SIM card holder. And you want to enter this code on the activation page in the app or website. You just need to choose a plan. So if you haven't already, you want to select the Mint mobile plan you actually want to use. Then you just need to set up your account. Just, follow the prompts to set up your Mint mobile account, including entering your personal information and payment details. So if you're keeping your old mobile number, you just want to select the option to port your number. Then just provide your old carrier's account information when you're actually prompted, and then after activation what you can do is just restart your phone to ensure that the new SIM settings are actually applied. And then you just want to verify the service. So you want to test your connection by making a call or browsing the internet to confirm that your service is active. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.